Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Strawberry Latte in Mega, and today we will be planning in the weekly pages. However, today is a different kind of plan with me. We will be using the kits from our newest collection, Arabian Summer. These are two of out of the, I think, five sets, and what we're going to do today is we are going to mix and match some of the sheets from these two collections that I have here. So if you'd like to know how that will look like in the end, make sure to stay until the end of the video. So let's start with taking a look at the kits that we will be using for today. So this one is called Arabian Princess, and it is one of the newest format that we have for the Hobonichi Weeks. So if you don't know what that means, make sure to check out the video before this. I'll just link it down below. So this is the first page, and you have your date covers, decorative strip, you have your checklist bar, and you have your decos, and this is what the decos look like. So Desert or Arabian Princess is all about her, our girl, our fashion girl, who is a princess. And I really like the second page of this. So this page with the bottom bars, the right and left, and then headers, and then the script stickers. Now I really like this scene here, so we're going to use the second page of Arabian Princess. I'm putting the other one away. Now we also have Desert Magic. You have your date cover, your decorative strip, the checklist, and then you have your decos, and this is what the second page looks like. And this is its scene. The scene is also really pretty, but I wanted to go ahead and use the princess one, so I will not be using the second page of Desert Magic. Instead, I'm going to use the first page because I really want to use the jewels, the camel, and the little Arabian palace. So let's go ahead and begin. Let me center. No, this is at center. So once again, we're using the first page of Desert Magic and then the second page of Arabian Princess. And also the blue that is on here is very similar to the blue that is being used in the glitter part of Arabian Princess. So I felt like it was gonna go together pretty well. Perfect. All right. And if you haven't noticed yet, let me go ahead and point out that the fonts for the days of over our date strip or date cover up has changed. And you can see it very clearly now. You can see it right away. Actually, how do you do this? Maybe nope. Because I want the green to be in the center-ish. And I actually like it to be floating above the line, just in case I want to use the line. Now I have my trusty old ruler. Okay, that's good enough. And then I'm going to put this over the other side. We may need to cut the end of this. Okay, already being very crooked. So I'm putting this strip up here. Right, we need to cut it so that it can border the rest of the pages, because I am putting larger stickers down here and I thought it'd be pretty. Ooh. Okay, we're safe. We're good. I'm putting this back here, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the bottom bar first for the left page, and it actually matches pretty well, and that is perfect. I am loving it so much. And then we have her, and I want to put her up there. Right. And that is stunning. I am already really excited for this. Yes. So happy. Look at that. So nice. Now I think I'm going to go ahead and get this. Although I will not be using this. I'm pretty sure that would be way too much. Then I'm going to put this at the bottom. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but actually with whatever is left, you can still make a pretty good notes pages. Deco, maybe I'd do that after. I'm not sure yet, because I don't know if I've planned. I'll explain that later towards the end once I finish this. What my notes pages look like, if you don't already know. But you know, if you are a long-time subscriber, then you know what I'm talking about. Oh, also, I am going to take this from here. Ooh. So I said I wasn't going to use this, and this. I lied. I'm sorry, but it'll look prettier if I do this. I'm pretty sure it will. Oh my gosh, are you not falling in love with this as much as I am? Because I am so in love with this right now. I've always wanted to make bigger kits, but at the same time, if it's gonna be a really busy week, you don't really want to decorate the small page that you have that much. I mean, I wanted to put this here, but maybe no. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm gonna take, how pretty is this, you guys? Just too good, you guys. So happy. Okay, first I'm gonna, no, that's not what we're gonna do. Okay, I have a surprise for you guys, if you didn't know. This one separates. Yes. So I'm gonna put this here for Saturday. I mean, if I didn't use that, then it's gonna be like really perfectly matching. And then I'm going to take these two, put it on here. Ooh, yes, queen. Then I'm gonna take this. This is like one of the most highly decorated pages that I have in this planner, to be honest. I'm kind of living for it. Aren't you? Because I know I am. Look at that. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take our palace and put it here. Oh no, I don't want to do that. That's perfect. There we go. And then I'm going to take today, put it up here. Then I'm going to take to do. Where are we going to put this? Here. I'm going to take goals, put it over here. Oh, wait, hang on. I want camel. No, let's put camel elsewhere. Let's take our purple gem. Makes me want to sing. We are the crystal gems. We'll always save the day. And if you think we can't, we'll always find a way. That's why the people of this world believe in. Yeah, okay. That's about as much singing as I will do today. Although that is one of my favorites. Alright, I haven't been talking to you guys. I've been singing. Oh my gosh. Has my phone been on this shot all this time? Oh, so I'm sorry. Okay, so here I am just decorating and I'm just singing and just hanging out. Yeah, apologies. Okay. I want to put this here because I'm going to put weekend on here. Where do you want to put this? Sunday? Sunday maybe, yes. Ooh, are you living for this? Because I am. I know I am. I'm pretty sure I am. Oh, why are we putting notes on there? Okay, I'm going to put notes here, but I want to decorate it first, layer it up like I did with goals. So as you can see for goals here, I have this round diamond, a heart diamond, and a smaller heart diamond flanking goals, which is crooked. Let's fix you. Let's be as straight as we can. Ta-da! Okay, and that is our weekend. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, before we do notes, I'm going to take this little header sticker and put it up here. Just so, sorry, no, still no. What am I doing? I'm trying to align it. Okay, I don't want to align, so we should just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, this is just such a... It's one of those videos that I just keep on singing. Why? Why is that happening? I should have put this on here and put weekend. Nope, that's not going to happen. Can we put it down here? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Or we can put it up here. Why, though? Okay. Yeah. Let's hide you, camel. And this is going to be our weekend section. All right. So now we still have a lot of jewels. And you know what we do with deco stickers, we layer them. Is that how you guys use your deco stickers? Comment down below how you use your deco. Do you use deco? I love deco. So you guys, deco is life. So this is notes. Okay, I have 2 to-do sections. Now I'm getting distracted. I'm gonna finish my deco fever portion. Deco fever section. By the time I'm filming this, these haven't been released yet. So exciting. Okay. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this, you guys? All right, empties time. Actually, this is empty, and then for the other sheets that I haven't used, this one still has that much, and this one still has this much. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about where I could put this, which I'm thinking I would do it right after this plan with me. But before I do that, I wanted to show you what we have here. So let me talk about the sections with you guys. So this section is my daily section. Events, anything like that would happen over here. Now, this little checklist is gonna be for anything that I would need in these 2 days. This is usually where I put down my to-dos that I know I need to do, like bigger to-dos. Go to the grocery, that's the bigger to-dos. Now, I also have a running to-do here, so this is also another to-do section. Running to-dos here and explaining what happened to those to-dos. I also have smaller to-dos over here for this section of the week. So basically, I've divided the week into 2. Now, instead of dividing weekend and weekdays, I've divided into Monday, Tuesday, and then the rest of the week, which is actually how I do my days. Now, alternatively, you can put this over here, and then this can go over here, and then you can write, let's say, to buy or a grocery list on this little thing here. So you can do a lot of different things with it depending on how you would need to use your planner. Since again, this is daily section, bigger to-do section, bigger to-do section, and general to-dos list here. And then notes, which would include things that are gonna happen or is needing to happen next week. And then this is goals section, which I think is very helpful if you have a goals section per week, so that, you know, weeks don't just pass by, which tends to happen a lot with me. So how about these smaller or leftover stickers from the pages that we didn't use? Oh, there's a reason why I covered that. Okay, now I know. All right, so this is the back of my weeks, and then this is the notes pages. And instead of just being notes pages, I turned it into a second weeks, which I am using as my shop planner. I think I'm going to use these stickers over here, and I think that's going to look really great. Ooh, this is this week. Oh, so pretty! Alright, and that is all that we have for today. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel and follow us on all our social media, which is Instagram and Facebook, paperjoyph, and the Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!